Hey gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tootie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you for joining and welcome to the gorgeous gang. So for today's tutorial, I did create like a mint chocolate look, and I used a new palette by ColourPop, and this is the Mar palette, or however you pronounce it. So y'all already know I don't like to keep my intros long. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you know what to do. Pick up a brush and keep on watching. Hey gorgeous gang. So as you can see, I did insert a brow clip in this video. I normally don't, simply because I do have a brow routine, but I wanted to show y'all this part because I do use different products for my brows now. This is the Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit, and y'all, I love this so much. And also what I do use differently from my brow tutorial is the concealer. I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep to clean up my brows. So again, I just wanted to throw that in there. And as y'all can see, your girl got a backdrop. It's so cute. Tell me how y'all like it in the comments down below. Alrighty, so it's time to go ahead and prep our eyes for our colors. So I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and this is like a thick flat brush, and I'm just taking that and patting that on my eye. Of course, we want to blend our base out until it is flat and smooth, so we won't have any patches when we apply our shades. Moving on to the fun part, I am taking this Mar Palette by ColourPop, and I'm going in with that dark brown shade, and this is a flat brush by, I don't know. Again, this is from Walmart. It was like a little set. So I do the reverse method with my eyeshadows. To me, it is a bit easier. So I'm just packing that shade on my lid and then blending out the edges just a little bit. Palette, as you can see, I am taking that light brown shade, and I'm just going to put that over the brown a little bit and blend it up to my brow bone. It really wasn't blending for me at first. I should have blended the brown a little bit more, so you will see me go back in and add a little bit more brown so I can get those colors to work in together. So for our lid, of course, I am going to cut my crease. Now, I have said plenty of times, I am not the best at cut creases. It's something that I'm still working on, but it does look better from what I used to do, so I'm very proud of myself. So I just show y'all how I do it. I do apply that on my the concealer on my lid, and I look up. So when I look up, you do see that line. That's how I can pretty much map out where my crease is going to be. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that and blend everything out. Okay, so after the crease has been cut, I do go back in with that brown shade and put that on my outer V. And this is a dual-ended brush. I'm using the fluffy side, and this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I go on the other end, which is the flat-sided brush, and I'm taking that mint shade and packing that on my lid. Alrighty, so as you can see, my foundation, my eyeliner, and my lashes was actually done off camera. So now I am ready to highlight, and I'm taking the Crayon Case highlighter, and this is in the shade or the number 15. And to blend that out, I am using a Real Technique setting brush, and I'm actually just tapping it or patting it in until it is well blended. Okay, so here, this is just an extra step that I do when I do my highlight. I'm just going back in with my foundation brush and blending the edges of the highlight, because I just want to make sure there are no harsh lines, because we want to make sure, we want to make sure everything looks melted into our skin. Anyways, here I am taking another Real Technique setting brush, and I'm going in with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder, and this is in the letter A. Alrighty, so here I did want to bring more attention to my eyes. So I am taking this blue eyeliner. It is by NYX Cosmetics, and as you can see, I am not watering, oh my god, girl, I am lining my waterline and my lash line. And also, as you will see in the next clip, again, I did say I want to bring attention to my eyes, so I will be going back in the same palette, the Mars palette, and I will be taking like that, I want to say a light gold, and I'll be applying that on my inner tear ducts. Alrighty, so it is time for the fun part, y'all. What is a makeup look without highlighter? I'll wait. But this is the Hard Candy Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade 130, and I believe it's called Tropics. Highlighting the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my brow bone, and the center of my forehead. Because we trying to look glowy, we trying to be shining bright, we trying to be blinding. So after my highlight, I do move on to my lips. I'll be taking a brown lip liner, and after my lip liner, I do go in with like a mauve, like a grayish brownish liquid lipstick, and to top it off, I do go in with the Crayon Case Clean Kisses lip gloss to top it off. And last but not least, we want to always set your skin, because we do not want to look like a ghost. We don't want to look ashy, none of that. So I'm setting my skin with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and that is it. Gorgeous gang, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.